Shout out my man Sonny, man. He be going crazy with MK.
Ready? YouTube!
I'm not cool enough to say it anymore.
Pick a shoe out the shroom, that's how the day be. Whoa, got way more kicks than a pregnant lady. Hey, yeah, started off with the son, the trade master. He's stealing trays like he the hat slinger slasher.
YouTube! What is good? Generational Hype Beast is back at you with yet another video. We got cranked up Austin in the building, fresh out of 4 hours worth of classwork.
We got shoes today, man. This is what we got. We got shoes.
Energy. Bustling with energy.
We got shoes. Shout out to the homie. Shout out to everybody. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe.
Yo, we still on the road to 5K, man.
5.
Make sure you tell your friends to sub if they haven't already, man. If you're brand new and you just checking us out, man, hey, salute, man. Give us a sub. Y'all mean?
Yeah, man.
So,
Watch yourself.
let's get into what we got today, man. I actually picked these up for Austin, and he turned around and said he wanted to do a solid for somebody who did a solid for him. You know what I'm saying? So, the homie Mespino, man, of course, hooked the youngin' up with the pair that he missed on. Bread Force, classic, iconic guys. So I had picked this pair for him, and he's like, nah, we got to do this for the homie. So that's what it is, man. He passing his blessing that I'm giving him along to the homie, man. So shout out to the homie Mespino, man. Appreciate you looking out for the youngin', and this is what we got, man.
Man, we got some shoes, man. We got the Potters.
Show the whole box. The whole box deserves.
The whole box 5, bro. You ain't tripping on that. Got the drawing right there. Got the ooh. Got the ooh. Got the ooh. So this is 8.5, man. Cause you know this is a little gang size.
So I dig these, man. I really do. I just don't know how I would wear them.
Sevens are hard to wear.
Sixes, I got the sixes on today. But yeah, these are Air Jordan 7 Retro Potters, man. And this is Shimmer Tough Red Velvet Brown. And it is a size 8.5. Women's 10. As you can see, man, the packaging on this is second to none, man. I really dig the packaging. It's got this dope little silhouette.
It comes with the metamorphosizing
So
damn, this is like 5.
I'm gonna be 100 with y'all, man. I didn't know who Patta was, and it is a European brand, man. It's out of London. They have stores in London and stores in
I'm not gonna take the shoe tree out.
Netherlands.
I'm just gonna leave it.
Nah, you can take it out.
There's nothing on the sole, just a red sole.
Let me take it out anyway. I do know that this is the very first Jordan brand collaboration with the European-based store, man, which is pretty cool, man. I've been peeking at their IG a little bit, man. I'll pop up a little B-roll of their IG here, man, but it's a cool little shop, man. They got a lot of stuff. They did get the Travis Scotts. I saw that. They did a Netherlands only raffle over. Well, that was for the Netherlands store. The London store did their own thing. So they're tier 0 store over in London, man. So you guys over in the UK, man, let me know what y'all think about that store, man. How is it? You know, I don't know anything about it, but if I ever make it over there across the pond, shout out to Trainer Heads, by the way. If I ever make it over there across the pond, man, we're gonna check out all of this stuff, man. We're gonna pull up on everything over there. Kind of looking forward to that. So hopefully I'm able to do that. So let's get into the shoe, man. What you think?
It's this shit dope.
It really is a good looking shoe in hand, man.
Hey, I know I say I love the sole on every shoe, but I actually really do love this sole. Like, I always loved how Jordan 7s and Jordan 8s look on the bottom. I don't know why.
They killed this shoe.
Yeah,
I'm gonna be honest with you, man.
The leather quality on this is low key like.
Colorway is crazy.
This is what, patent leather?
Nah, it's like, a nubuck.
Yeah, I was about to say it's.
Yeah, it's a nubuck. It's an all upper nubuck.
I don't know, because the front feel kind of like.
Yeah, it's nubuck.
It almost feels like.
You know, like, you, when you, what are you doing, man?
It's real good quality on it, man. It's a dope shoe. It is a dope shoe.
Not for real. No cap. No rap cap.
It's got Team Patta here on the back, man. Hopefully y'all can see that.
On the heel strap.
Yeah, heel strap. Heel strap.
Heel tab. Sometimes the strap.
Of course, got the classic 23 there on the back of that guy.
What if it didn't say 23?
It does have a little bit of a glue stain right here. I just noticed just a little bit of something right there.
Little ass glue stain. Like,
You
people
know.
ain't perfect, man. Don't be mad at
For
it.
my people that be all up on it like that.
People ain't perfect, man.
It's a little something, but that just goes to the quality of the shoe, man, because the leather is so premium that any little thing that gets on here, you're going to see it. So you definitely want to hit this up with some Crep Protect or some Rejuvenator or something. Whatever your preference is. You know, I'm not sponsored by any of them, so I don't have a preference. I just, whatever I get my hands on, that's what I use. So
that's how you spray. That's how you properly spray Crep Protect.
the tongue, the inside sock liner, all of that is like a
maroon,
maroonish
burgundy
with
rose.
with some cardinal red in there.
It's like a rose red.
You can see the cardinal red
Did I just make a color?
popping through. Yeah, you just made up a whole colorway.
Rose red. Roses are red.
The same color as here on the sole.
It's a little bit deeper. It's a little bit darker than on the bottom.
Yeah.
The red's a little bright. That's like a regular red, and on the inside it's like a darker color.
It's got that Patta branding on the midsole, man. I dig that. A lot of people probably won't dig that, but I do dig that. It's a dope shoe, man. It's a dope shoe.
Remember, you used to be like this. Who cares?
Hey, little kids, don't follow these dopes. But yeah, what else you think about it, man?
I feel like they could have freaked it a little bit more on the inside, but other than that, it's dope. Like, they could have put something right here. Like it's simple, it's nice. I just feel like, I don't know.
It's a 7, man. They don't have nothing on the inside.
Man, I oughta freaked this shoe. I oughta put a Patta all over that thing. They would know who my brand was. I mean, you already collabed with Jordan, so
I think they did just enough. But you know, that's me. I don't like over the top.
Simplicity, you know, I'm a little extra.
Y'all didn't like over the top. But yeah, that's these guys, man. Patta guys, man, in the building. Shout out to the homie Mespino, man.
Shout out to my boy Jose.
Yeah, appreciate you looking out for the youngin. Gonna toss you an alley-oop right back.
I'm coming in like D-Wade, how he be like this. With LeBron ducking in the back.
So that's it, man. Patta guys in the building. Jordan 7 collab.
Know what I'm saying, bro?
Youngin in the building.
Know what I'm saying, bro?
Hey, got a lot of stuff coming, man. So hopefully y'all stay tuned.
Hey, y'all like the beer, bro?
Bro, you need shade.
Y'all comment,
You need shade.
Tweedledee if, I don't know what Tweedledee is, but I just made up that word.
Or Tweedledum.
Yeah, y'all comment Tweedledum if I should shave.
Tweedledum that cat, bro.
Tweedledum.
Hey, bruh. You need to shave that stuff, bruh.
Whoa. Yeah, bro.
That's it, man. Dad, son, Cams.
Holler, bro. Like, what are you saying, bro?
Bruh, like, whoa.
Are you tripping, bro?
Yeah. 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 Nigga work hard, don't talk about it. Ain't been asleep yet. Bitch, I'm geek, yeah. Right around the city, still keep it tight. I think got my feet wet. Swimming on the deep end. Pop the addy in the bean, yeah. Money keep growing like a chip pit. Introduce you to my team.